Heading Level 1 Document Accessibility Syllabus. Heading Level 2 Instructors/Table 1, Uniform Table /Melany Beautyman Melany.beautyman@pcc.edu. Karen and Melany are both instructional technology specialists at Portland Community College. PCC website for the accessibility of online classes: www.pcc.edu/access/ Karen Sorensen Karen.Sorensen@pcc.edu. Out of table. Heading Level 2 Course Description. This session will teach participants how to make web pages, PDFs, Microsoft Word documents and Microsoft PowerPoint presentations accessible to students with disabilities. Bring your laptop with Microsoft Office for some hands-on learning, and we will explore together some challenges that go beyond the technical know-how. Heading Level 2 Learning Outcomes. Bullet knowledge of how to make documents accessible. Filled square bullet technical how to knowledge. Bullet broader understanding of what accessibility means. Heading Level 2 Recommended text left paren s right paren. Making online teaching accessible: inclusive course design for students with disabilities by Norm Coombs. Published in 2010 by Josie Bass. Heading Level 2 Activities, Assignments and Assessments. Heading Level 3 Activities. We have a great one planned for you on alternative text. Heading Level 3 Grading. Well, clearly there won't be grades, but what a great opportunity to show this example of an accessible table. Page 2. Heading Level 4 Accessible Tables. An accessible table in any digital format should have bullet row and / or column headers. Filled square bullet. MS Word assumes the first row of the table is the header row and will tag it as such if repeat header rows is selected on the Table Tools Layout tab. Filled square bullet. For web pages, you will need to edit the HTML code left paren C link http://webaim.org/techniques/tables/data right paren, or check with your college to see if they have an accessible table format you can use. Filled square bullet. In PDFs, you will need to make sure the table headers are tagged as such. Bullet A Logical reading order. Filled square bullet. It makes sense when read left to right, top to bottom, and one row at a time. Bullet A Caption and alt text for the table. Table: grading criteria. Table 2, Uniform Table. Activity: points each. Total. Row 2. 5 discussions. 5, 25. Row 3. 4 assignments. 20, 80. Row 4. 4 quizzes. 5, 20. Row 5. Grand total points 125. Out of table. Heading Level 4 Late Work and Make-Up Policy. Any college or university that receives federal funds is required by federal laws Section 504 of the Rehabilitation Act of 1973 and the Americans with Disabilities Act of 1990 to make their programs and activities accessible to people with disabilities. In June 2010, a letter to every college president from the Departments of Justice and Education made the point that accessibility requirements extend to college technology and websites, including online course websites. Furthermore, it went on to clarify in a follow-up letter and FAQ that accessibility must be included in the development stage of the websites, including online course websites. Left paren Office for Civil Rights website link http://www.ed.gov/about/offices/list/occur/letters/colleague-20100629.html right paren. Basically, most of our colleges have late work. No one is sure about the Fed's make-up policy, but we best get to work. Heading Level 3 Recommended Fonts. Recommended fonts for the best accessibility are 12 pt minimally Times New Roman Verdana left paren designed for accessibility right paren. Arial Tahoma Helvetica